Hey guys, it's Adriel over Car Effects. We just wanted to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We really want to say thank you for all the love and support through this last year. It's really meant a lot. You guys have been great. We just want to let you know we will be doing a giveaway on this Bronco in the next couple of weeks. Details will be posted on our Instagram and social media soon. It'll be a pretty big giveaway, so just keep a lookout for the details. And once again, have a great holiday.